So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Alibaba for your Shopify dropshipping business. And Alibaba is very popular, and you will know the exact product price. Then you can negotiate with the supplier, and if the supplier will give you higher price, then you can show that this is the real price from Alibaba. Okay, so you must need to know how to use Alibaba properly. And you have no tension, since I am Nazmul, a dropshipping supplier working 6 years. Then I will help you for everything. Okay, so first of all, you will come to in Alibaba, and then you will just search on in here. For example, right now Labubu is very trending. When after Labubu you will search, then you will see a lot of Labubu product in here. Okay, you just find which product is the first, and it is a verified supplier. You will see experience 2 years, 4.7 star review out of 5, 204 reviews, so which is very good. And then you just click on this company page, and directly you will come to this company pages. Okay, and in here you will see that they are an experience, their company environment, production, their company photo, video, product, yes, everything, lot of things you will see. And also they are certified. Okay, and the reviews also very nice. Yes, which is very good. And yeah, so everything's when it's the meet the criteria. I mean, for your first job will be, you will see that they are verified supplier. Okay, yes, they are verified, 2 years experience. Okay, it's good. They have good reviews. Okay, and the response time under 2 hour, delivery time 95.7%. yes, it's good. And then your job will be just give me the product link, okay, on my WhatsApp. You can see that on my WhatsApp there are a lot of client messaging me. Okay, so everyone is like working with me as a for their dropshipping business or wholesale. No problem. And then I will show you exactly how we are handling 10k plus. Okay, 10k plus Facebook members, group members, and everyone is very satisfied, and every day they are sharing their experience. Okay, and you can see that in here I have also a lot of clients. Okay, and we are doing business in Facebook also, like in Facebook message. No problem. If you don't want to come to WhatsApp, no problem, we can talk to in Facebook directly. In my YouTube, you will see my YouTube description, my Facebook, my all social media link, and also email. Just comment me. Okay, and also contact me in anywhere. No problem. So my client saying that, hello dear, we are currently looking for this product. Okay, to which country he need whole Europe, Sweden also. Then I give the price. Okay, this is the quotation. You can see that this is a quotation. He is selling like health product. And after that, when his order will come, then we will start business. Okay, and then I will show you that our LinkedIn group, that it almost 10k, I mean it will be hit 11k members in this month. And in here we are also sharing our every members success, failures, and every problems what they're facing. Okay, and you can see these groups his engagement is very good. Just complete another Shopify store, everyone sharing their experience. So you can also join my LinkedIn group. Just you can contact me on LinkedIn. I will join to my personal LinkedIn group, which is very public. You can share your experience and everything, no problem, we will help you. And then I will show you that how many orders we are fulfilling. This is the example. Okay, yes, you can see that. Wait. Okay, so this is the orders from like this month, I mean July. So you can see that deliver 8 days, Sweden. Okay, it's done, delivered. Sweden. In United Kingdom, it's delivered in 8 days, so which is very good. Okay, and also United Kingdom, we are regularly sending almost 10,000 plus order, and in worldwide. Okay, mostly in popular country like USA, Europe, Canada, Australia. So you can that every orders average 8 days orders delivered. Okay, and shipped. And then you can see Spain, 7 days, 4 days. our clients also need fast shipping. That's why we are fulfilling within 5 days, 9 days. Okay, no problem. And you can see that France order 8 days. Yes, you can also see that Italy 7 days. Also yes, lot of order we are fulfilling. So you have no tension, you just comment us, subscribe this channel, and your dropshipping videos will be very smooth. Okay, thank you.